What's up everyone, this is Ferris from Riverside Hyundai. Today I'll be taking you in a spin on the 2025 Elantra N, but today is going to be a treat because we're using the stick shift. Today we are test driving the new 2025 Elantra N with a stick shift. This car is equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine that produces 276 horsepower. Trust me guys, this car can fly. Also, if this is your daily driver, you can always turn it into a normal car from here and go to normal mode. The exhaust sound is going to be normal, driving wise is going to be comfortable, but if you want to go the work in style, you can just go to Sport Plus mode and just give it. This car feels great. It is a driver car, so if you're looking for a fun drive, this is what you want to be in. A stick shift, nobody can beat this with a 276 horsepower engine. Trust me, you're gonna love this car. That exhaust with the turbo, the sound is just amazing. So when you're on Sport Plus, the car is gonna feel like a sport car. Your steering wheel is gonna be a little bit stiff. Your transmission is gonna be harsh, but to give you that speed shifts, and the suspension is gonna be a little bit hard to give you that stability and maneuvering in curves and stuff. But at the same time, you can always change it to normal mode. If you go back to normal mode from here, so for example, the steering wheel, I'm gonna turn it into normal mode. Now, the steering wheel is just like any other luxury car. If you go back to normal mode from here, and exhaust and rev matching is off, suspension to normal mode, now you're in a comfortable drive. So you can use it on a daily basis if you want to, and go to work whenever you want, or drive the kids, because this is a 5-seater. So if you have kids, you can also have fun in this car. And whenever you have the feeling that you want to go Sport Plus, you can always just go by the click of a button like this. At the same time, this car is equipped with a lot of technology. So you have all the safety features that come standard now in Elantras. You have the backup camera, you have BlueLink connected services, you have cruise control as well. So if you're cruising, you can always set that up. Lane keep assist. It just has everything that you ever wanted in a car, plus a really nice a sporty drive as well. You have your heated seats right here for both passenger and driver. You have a dual zone AC right here, and your navigation and maps can just from a click of a button, you can go to your media, your radio. You have the N mode, you can go directly to N mode from here. Just click this one, everything changes into the N mode. Custom or standard. If you want to customize it, you just go to N mode from here, and you customize everything that you want from here. You can activate launch control as well from here, and you can go to the performance options and change it from here. Now let's take a look at the backup camera while we park this car. It has front sensors, back sensors, and a high definition camera as well. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you had fun with our test drive. Tell us what you want to see next.